Today we're at Palazzo, the sister property of Venetian. If you're looking for luxury on a smaller scale with a more chill and relaxed vibe, this might be the property for you. Let me show you why. The rooms at Palazzo are all suites and they start at 720 square feet, so they are very roomy and very comfortable. Now, when you come into the room, you have a bedroom area, but then there's this step-down living room, and that includes a sofa bed. So if you had a room with 2 queen beds and include the sofa bed, you could sleep up to 6 people in this room. Now, in this living room area, there is a dining table, there is a TV, there's also a TV in the bedroom, and there's a TV in the bathroom. Now, the bathroom itself is a good size with your 2 sinks. There's a separate tub and shower and a separate room for the toilet. So let's have a closer look at everything. The pool area at Palazzo is massive and it is so impressive. It's beautifully landscaped. You have different seating options. There's some fun little chairs, of course lounge chairs, but they all have pads on them, so it's very comfortable. They have dining tables, and of course you can rent some cabanas or Bali beds. There are several pools here, and so many of them are heated right now during the winter. And if this isn't enough for you, you can actually walk next door to Venetian. The pools are connected there, so you can use those pools as well. There's several hot tubs all around. It's just a great pool area. You have shade in some areas, sun in others, so get your choice there. Now, I just can't describe everything to you, so let's show you around. We're at the Lux Cafe. Now there is one at the Venetian and one at Palazzo. We're at the one at Palazzo, came here for breakfast. Now one of the cool things is they do have a breakfast buffet. So for $29.95, you can have an all-you-can-eat sort of smaller buffet. But if you are in a hurry or you're just really hungry, I think that's a good option. They have a fresh omelet station. They have pastries, meats, eggs, cereals, fruits, so it's pretty good value. Now, we did not get the breakfast buffet. I got myself a chile relleno omelet. So it's like a lightly breaded chile poblano with some cheese in there, covered with sauce and sour cream. And I'm gonna just try this out. I'm not really getting the chile relleno, so let's get a little more in the middle here so I can get that chile. It did come with hash browns and your choice of toast. I'm glad I got this. It's got a nice flavor. The sauce is good. I'm always worried about the sauce. It's actually really good. And the combo of everything together is really good. Okay. But I do also, I'm just going to reach across and grab a piece of Enrique's quesadilla because it looks pretty good. This has chorizo, black beans, eggs, and cheese in there. And it came with hash browns as well. palazzo is really good. This has some salsa in there, and it normally does come with sour cream and guacamole too. Oh, it's got like a really little bit of spicy flavor, very like fresh. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a fresh, light flavor to it. It's really good. But if you're not here for breakfast, they also have great lunch or dinner options, including these Asian nachos that we got. So it's made with wontons instead of chips. And they had this chicken, and I can't remember, it was like a honey crusted chicken. Oh, to die for. They have really good food at Grand Lux Cafe. The Palazzo is located on the north side of the strip. So you are in walking distance to the Fashion Show Mall. You are right next door to Wynn and Encore. You're actually connected to Venetian on the other side, and you can go through an indoor walkway to get there. And then you're right across the street from Treasure Island, or TI. Now, if you're wanting to get further south on the strip, there is a monorail stop that is just 2 doors down at Harrah's. If you're enjoying this content, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel. Palazzo has its own theater, and magician Shin Lim has a residency here, but they also bring other performers in throughout the year. Now, over at the sister property Venetian, they have a couple of venues that bring in big name artists throughout the year. But one important thing to note is that the Palazzo and Venetian are the closest hotels to the Sphere, and there is an indoor walkway that takes you directly to the Sphere, but it only opens up a little bit before your show, and you have to have a ticket to enter the walkway. The walkway that connects the Palazzo to the Venetian is actually a mall called the Grand Canal Shops. To me, this is the best mall that's inside of a hotel here in Las Vegas, and let me tell you why. You have everything from high-end shopping to lower-end shopping, fine dining to food court style food. You have entertainment options like the Atomic Saloon, and there's a karaoke bar. You even have the gondolas that go through the Grand Canal Shops. So it's some place that you actually want to hang out. Mott 32 is the restaurant at Palazzo. They are normally just open for dinner, but on the weekends they do have brunch from 11:30 to 3:30. And so we ordered a bunch of dim sum, so I'm going to show you what we got. Here's a fun fact. Forbes named Palazzo one of the world's finest hotels for 2024. The Palazzo has a smaller casino. It's a square shape and an open design where everything is just centrally located. You don't have any wings or different areas that you have to walk through to find the machines or the table games that you're looking for. I feel like Palazzo brings you that luxury just on a smaller scale, but you're not sacrificing any of the amenities. You have great restaurants, shopping, entertainment, pools, and you can take a 5-minute walk through the Grand Canal shops to the Venetian and get that big resort experience. So drop us a comment and let us know what you think about Palazzo. And if you're looking for more Las Vegas, be sure to check out this video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.